So students, let's start our class. In our last class, we had completed chapter 2 sentences, and I've given you some questions of this chapter as your homework.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you all have completed. Now, let's start chapter 3, subject and predicate, page number 9 of your book. Page number 9, subject and predicate. Have you all opened?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
let me tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, let me tell you what is subject and what is predicate. Here you can see subject and predicate. These are the part of sentences. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Rahul likes playing football. This is a sentence that makes complete sense. Rahul is the subject because the sentence is about Rahul. Likes playing football is the predicate because it tells us about the subject. Which is subject here? Rahul is subject in this sentence. And which is predicate? Likes playing football. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
This is Rahul is.
Ma'am, subject.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Rahul, very good.
Subject.
Rahul is subject and likes playing football is
Predicate.
Predicate.
why Rahul?
Predicate.
Rahul is a subject and likes playing football is a predicate. Why it is predicate? Because this sentence is telling about something about Rahul. This sentence is something telling about Rahul. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
move to the next topic. Here, the definition is given. You all have to make a grammar notebook. Understand? You all have to make grammar notebook. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to make grammar notebook, a little bit thin it can be, and you have to write all the definitions, like definitions of from first chapter, definition of alphabetical order in first chapter. In second chapter, you have to write definition of sentence. And
Sentence.
in third chapter, it is very important that you have to write the part of the sentence that tells us what or whom the sentence is about. Is called the subject. You have to
Subject.
write this also. Important. And this is also important. You all have to write this definition on your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand?
Yes,
Definition of subject and definition of predicate. You all have to write and you have
okay, ma'am.
now move to the next sentence. You can see the girl are tired. So here you can see the girls are tired. The girls are tired. The girls are not tired. So here subject is girls. The girls are not tired is predicate. But which is the verb? Are is the verb here. The predicate always includes the verb. Predicate always includes the verb. So, here you can see the sentence, the girls are not tired. Girls is subject, are is verb, not tired, are not tired. This whole sentence is predicate. The predicate always includes the verb. We can say that the predicate always includes the verb. Some more examples to understand subject and predicate. Here some more examples are given. As you can see, the boy was chasing a cat. Suraj is sleeping. The toy car was running on the track. The helicopter flew over the sea. These all are predicates. These all are subjects. But here some words are given like was, is, was. You can say they all are verbs. They all are verbs. क्या है? Verbs. They include, predicate includes the verb also. The subject may have only one or more than one. Subject have one or more than one word. यानी कि एक भी हो सकता है and more than one. Now here you have to tell me the answer. Circle the subject and underline the predicates in the following. This very simple exercise. I hope you all can do this exercise easily. Circle the subject. Tell me which is circle, which is subject. Sorry, the bird is flying.
Ma'am, the bird is subject.
Ma'am, the bird is subject and is flying and flying is
predicate.
predicate.
Yes,
Ma'am, the bird is subject.
right. Yes, I know that. Do this exercise on your notebook. Bird is subject and is flying is predicate.
The flying is predicate.
Yes. Next is Ram is an intelligent student. So Ram is subject.
Ma'am, Ram is subject.
Is an intelligent student.
Predicate. Ma'am, predicate.
Yes. I hope you all can do this exercise easily. It's very simple. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is for your assignment. I hope you all can do this exercise by yourself easily. If you have any doubt, you can ask me that time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So complete this exercise. This is for your assignment.
Homework.
Now move to the next exercise, which is subject in commands. Read these sentences. Come here. Don't talk. In these sentences, subject is not mentioned. The subject is actually you, and the sentence actually read like the following: you come here. You don't talk. So here in these sentences you can see you is not written. You is not written here. Come here is in this sentence, you is not written. In this sentence, come here, you is not written because you is here. You is already here. It's in it is not mentioned. Like if we are talking to somebody, come here, then we know that we are talking to somebody and that is you. So you is already here. Don't talk. You don't talk. We just use like this. Okay. So you is already here and it is subject. And come here is predicate. Don't talk is predicate. In all commands, subject is you, which is not mentioned in the subject but is understood. You is understood. It is not mentioned but it is understood. Understand? Subject in questions. The subject usually comes before the predicate, but in questions, subject come after predicate. Questions. In questions, you can see predicate is written in the first place, and in second place there is subject. Like where is mother, and where is predicate, and mother is subject. In questions, usually comes before the predicate.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
here you can see circle the subject and underline the predicate in the following. Tell me, sit on the chair. Which is subject?
Chair is subject. Sit on the chair.
Sorry? Just raise your hand. and tell me.
Ma'am, sit is subject or on the chair is predicate.
Who is giving answer? Arushi. Who is giving answer? Raise your hand and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, you is the subject and sit on the chair is predicate.
Yes.
Ma'am, chair is subject, sit on that is predicate.
Listen. Who is saying chair or sit is subject? So student, this whole subject is predicate and you, which is understood, is
Subject.
yes. This is predicate and you, which is understood, you can write here if you want to, which is subject. Understand? You is understood. Means you should not be written. वो लिखा नहीं रहना चाहिए. But we should have to understand that you is there. Okay. Now move to the next one. How are you? Tell me. Which is subject and which is the predicate?
Ma'am, you is subject and how are is predicate.
Yes. Anybody else?
Ma'am, how is a subject? You are you is predicate.
Neela? Yes. Tell me.
You is subject and sit on the chair is predicate.
In second question, Neela, we are in second questions. Tell me the answer of second question.
You is subject or how is predicated.
How are? How are is predicate.
Predicate.
You is subject. Understand? I hope you all can do this exercise also easily. It's very simple. Same as it is, the picture is very beautiful. The picture is subject, is very beautiful, predicate. Switch on the television. So here, in switch on the television, which is subject and which is predicate. Neela, can you tell me? Neela will tell. Neela, wait, Neela. I hope you understood. In this question number 4.
Switch is subject on the television is predicated.
Ayushi, do you understood? Can you tell me the right answer of question number 4? Wait, Ayushi. Ayushi,
Television is subject and sit on the predecessor.
anybody else who can give me the right answer? Sparsh. Question number 4. Switch on the television. Which is subject, which is predicate here?
Ma'am, television is subject, switch on the predicate.
Yes. Rishabh, can you tell me? Tell me the right answer. Mic on.
Ma'am, television is ma'am, switch on the subject. The television is a predicate.
Now, Arushi, tell me the right answer.
Ma'am, you is the subject and switch on the television is predicate.
Exactly. Ayushi, Neela, Rishabh, Sparsh, and everybody, listen to me very, very carefully. I am repeating this second time or third time, I think. You can see here in the first question, sit on that chair. It's a command. You is not written there. You is understood. ये हमें समझना होगा that you वहाँ पे पहले से, we have to imagine that you is already there in these types of sentences. Like you can see in the upper side when we are in examples. Here you can see in these examples. Commands. Come here is written, but you is understood. You यहाँ पहले से है. So we should have to understand that you is already there. Understand? As Ayushi told me the answer, right answer. Because you is understood, so this whole sentence, Ayushi, Neela, and everybody, Sparsh, Rishabh, listen to me very carefully. This whole sentence is predicate. Understood? You don't have to say that switch is subject or television is subject. It is a command. Switch on the television means क्या होता है? टीवी ऑन करो. हम तो सिर्फ एक सेंटेंस बोल रहे हैं ना, किसी को बोल रहे हैं. We are talking to somebody. Switch on the television. Television on करो. That we are giving command to somebody and we are talking to whom? किसी से बात कर रहे हैं. आप से बात कर रहे हैं. आप means क्या होता है? You. So you is understood here. You यहाँ पे पहले से है. It is understood. You should have to write this on this answer. You यहाँ पे पहले से है. That sentence, whole sentence is predicate because it's a command. Understand? And whenever we are giving any command, that whole sentence is predicate and you is understood that you वहाँ पहले से है and you have to circle that. Which type of answer you all giving? Sparsh, what is this? Ayushi, Neela, I am not expecting this type of answer from you all.
Good day, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. Nice day, ma'am.
So exercise number C is your homework, which you have to do by yourself. Use your imagination, fill the blanks. The girl is dancing. The sun is rising. You can write whatever comes in your mind, but in a proper and a right way. सही तरीके से लिखना है. Understand? This is for your home assignment. We complete next chapter, chapter 4, kinds of sentences.